How to keep your microwave bacteria-free, easy tips for a clean kitchen. Did you know that your microwave could be a hidden hotspot for bacteria? Studies have shown that microwaves are used in over 90% of households, making them one of the most common kitchen appliances. But with frequent use, spills, and splatters, they can easily become a breeding ground for germs. In today's video, we'll show you how to keep your microwave bacteria-free with simple, effective tips. Let's face it, microwaves are convenient, but they can get messy quickly. Every time you heat up leftovers or cook a quick meal, food particles can get stuck inside, creating the perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. But don't worry. We've got some easy steps you can follow to keep your microwave clean and safe. A step-by-step guide to keeping your microwave bacteria-free. Step 1. Regular cleaning. After each use, make it a habit to wipe down the inside of your microwave. Use a damp cloth or sponge with a mild dish soap. This will remove food residue and prevent bacteria from building up. For stubborn stains, heat a bowl of water with a few slices of lemon for 3 minutes. The steam will loosen grime, making it easier to clean. Step 2. Clean the turntable. The turntable is often the dirtiest part of the microwave because it catches most of the spills. Remove it regularly and wash it with warm soapy water. If it's dishwasher safe, you can pop it in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. Don't forget to wipe down the base where the turntable sits. Step 3. Use microwave-safe covers. To minimize splatters, always cover your food with a microwave-safe cover or a paper towel. This not only keeps your microwave cleaner but also helps your food heat more evenly. It's a simple trick that can save you a lot of cleaning time. Step 4. Deodorize regularly. Even if your microwave looks clean, it can still harbor odors that attract bacteria. To deodorize, place a bowl of water with a tablespoon of baking soda inside and heat it for 3 minutes. The baking soda will absorb any lingering smells, leaving your microwave fresh and clean. Step 5. Don't forget the exterior. The exterior of your microwave, including the handle and buttons, can also harbor bacteria from frequent touching. Wipe down the outside regularly with a disinfectant wipe or a cloth dampened with a vinegar water solution. This will help reduce the spread of germs in your kitchen. Bonus tip: regular maintenance. Check your microwave's door seal regularly to ensure it's intact and clean. A damaged or dirty seal can let bacteria in and reduce the efficiency of your microwave. If you notice any damage, it might be time to replace the seal or even the microwave itself. Keeping your microwave bacteria-free doesn't have to be a chore. With these simple tips, you can maintain a clean and hygienic microwave that's safe to use for all your meals. Remember, a clean microwave isn't just about appearance, it's about keeping your kitchen and your food safe from harmful bacteria. If you found these tips helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our kitchen cleaning tips.